Guys, what's up? So a few days back I have uploaded my birthday vlog, and if you enjoy, then don't forget to give that video a like, and if you haven't seen, then link will be in my bio and in my description too. So today I'm going to unbox my birthday gifts. So yeah, let's get started. I will first start with small size of gifts. So let's start with this one. I'm getting excited. I actually like to unbox gifts. So yeah. Wow, it's very beautiful. So yeah, it's a mug, cute mug. I really liked it. I will start with this one. This is a cute mug, and the fun part I am showing you here. If you pour water in it, then the lights will go on and it looks wonderful. So yeah, I always wanted a mug like this. I have seen it in many online stores, but yeah, thanks whoever have given this mug. So this one, oh, this has a cute book. I can use the book. Basically, I like to reuse. Again, a mug, I guess. So yeah, it has two mugs in a cute floral design. I actually like simple and normal things, so yeah, it is very beautiful. It's, I think, a cup less than a mug. It has a cute floral design. Yeah, I just my camera. So it has a cute floral design and it looks wonderful. I actually like simple and normal things. This one, as you can see, is a celebration pack of kind thing. There's another gift with this. Wow, it has a cute sculpture thing. Coffee. It's coffee time. Isn't it good, guys? I really liked it. As I've told, I like simple and cute things, so yeah, I'm going to use it. I'm going to do a medium size gift. So it has a cute bow in blue color. My gosh. As you guys know, I am really interested in art and craft, so it is very helpful for me. It is actually all pastel colors. I think it has 50 pastel colors. Yes, so it has a scratching tool. And yeah, I really like it. With this, here was a pen. So it's a link pen. Now let's unbox this one. What it could be, I don't know. Item. So another stationery item. So it has a drawing book, oil pastel, wax crayon, sketch pen and wooden pencil. For this gift, guys, I really like this. How did they know that I am interested in this kind of stuff? Now let's move into the medium size gifts. This is actually tiffin box, I guess, with a beautiful design. I like these cube colors, so it's nice. Box, I think. Yes. not opened, but when my school will open, I'm definitely gonna use this. Actually, a huge dairy milk, and with this there was a pen, so I really like this one. This one, it is not coming in the frame packet yet, so. Just see guys, it is really beautiful, isn't it? With 3 horses. I actually like a little bit of different paintings. So I think this is a kind of painting. It looks wonderful guys. So yeah, I like this one too. Each and every gift is wonderful, so I just can't judge anything. One. It's a red color. Red is one of my favorite colors, so yeah, I loved it. With this kind of opening. This one. Yeah, it's a hot pot. It's very nice. It's in a like sea green color. So yeah, it's nice. This one. So yeah, I got so many Cadbury. This is actually a Cadbury, and I got a pen from it. I got so many Cadburys actually. These are 2. So I actually got so many Cadburys. This is one Cadbury. So I got so many my favorite things. I'm a huge fan of chocolates. This one I already told. Another one, chocolate bar. Supply item. This is another one, campaign colors. So yeah, I got. What puppy? I don't have any idea. Another hot pot is a brownish and creamy kind of color. So another hot pot. This is actually Apsara kit. This is Apsara kit, as you can see, and it is Camlin's kit, kind of like this one, kind of like this one, but not fully. Have this one. This is Apsara's kit. I actually like the kind of packaging with the handle. It's very unique. So what is this one? Isn't it very funny guys to open kits? And this is my first time opening kits with you guys, sharing with you guys, and it's really very fun. Gosh, another one art supply. So this is from Faber Castle. This is actually from Faber Castle. It is showing opposite as I'm using my selfie camera. It has 20. Awesome guys, I got so many stationery. That's why I'm very happy today, because I am a huge fan of stationeries. And this is Luxure Creative Art Kit. Luxure's Creative Art Kit. Let me know guys, but not the least. Let's open this one. Last gift. I'm a little bit sad. Cute photo frame. Oh my gosh. Okay, I entered it opposite. It's very cute with yellow flowers. It has a cute design in the sides, spirally, with lots of stones. So it's very cute guys. But another gift is in, but I don't think that it will come in the frame because it's huge. This is a giant size Barbie doll. I am a huge fan of Barbie doll. I am a huge fan of chocolates. I'm a huge fan of stationery items. I am very happy today. I just got what I love. So yeah, I don't think that it will come in the frame. I'm struggling it. So I will just give here, if you can see. So guys, this was all about unboxing of my birthday gifts. If you really enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up because it is totally different from what I usually do. And I'm just showing the gifts what I got for you, just not for jealousy or anything else, just for fun. And I just wanted to share with you guys what I got for my birthday. And if you like this kind of videos, then please give it a big thumbs up. I think I have told you anyways, give it a big thumbs up because one like really means a lot to me. And also subscribe to my channel because I am changing my contents. I am not coming with only DIY videos. I'm making vlogs, I'm making unboxing videos, haul videos, different kind of videos. So please subscribe to my channel. And if you are already subscribed, then thank you so much for that. And new DIY videos are also coming soon. So subscribe, share, like, comment, and yeah, till then, goodbye.